Alright. Every number has neighbors. Your math teacher never told you this. So I'm teaching you the invisible neighbors of every number. I'll tell you 5 neighbors of every number. Number 1. Let's assume you have a number like 5, number like 72. There are 5 things attached to these numbers, invisible. I call them invisible neighbors of every number. Let's pick 5. 5 has a neighbor called 0.0, but it's invisible. Ordinarily, when you are given a number 5 without decimal points, you can add 0.0. For a number like 5, there is points and there is 0, because every number has a decimal point. Number 2, 5 can be expressed as plus 5. Every number has a sign. Every number has a sign. There is no number without a sign. When you have 5 and the sign is not indicated, it means there is a plus, but it is invisible. Minus cannot be invisible. Take note. There's another one. Every number has a power. Power is the index. Every number has a power. For a number mentioned or given without the power indicated, that means the power is 1. 1 can be invisible. Number 4. Every number has a denominator. Yes, this is 5, but it's 5 over 1. The denominator 1 can be invisible. 1 as a denominator can be invisible. Number 5. Let's take the same number. This is 5 to base 10. Base 10. Every number has a base. There is no number without a base. If the base is not mentioned, the base is 10. Now let me go over it all together. We have a number. For example, 5. Let me shade it and make it thick. There's a number. The number is 5. There are 5 neighbors of 5. Now you may not see. One of them is 0.0. 0.0 can be invisible. 0.1 cannot be invisible. 0.2, any other thing cannot be invisible. In fact, put it this way. The ending zeros after decimal points are useless. The ending zeros or ending 0 after a decimal point are useless. So you may keep them there to reveal them or not. Number 2, there is an invisible plus who is also a neighbor of 5. For plus before a number, if plus is the beginning of that number, it can be invisible. If you have 2 plus 5, this plus cannot be invisible because it's not the beginning of the number. But if plus 5 is the beginning, then the plus can be invisible. Now the next one is the index, the power of every number. Every number has a power, and the power will be indicated if it is not 1. This 5 has a power of 1. Because it is 1, it can be invisible. If it is any other number, it cannot be invisible. The next one, every number has a denominator. The denominator has to be revealed if it is not 1. If it is 1, you can make it invisible. So 5 is actually 5 over 1. It can be invisible. Now, the next one is the base. The base of a number also can be invisible if only it is 10. You have been working with numbers. I've been working with numbers, your age, the time, the year, everything is base 10 if you don't indicate the base. So base 10 can be invisible. If it is not base 10, you have to write it. So this is base 10, can be invisible. So 5 has, or any other number, has neighbors, which you may not see. Your class teacher, your math teacher may not tell you that. He knows it. He understands it. But it is not taught. And this might be the reason why many people have problems with mathematics. So all these things you have to know so that you know how to handle numbers and work out some problems in mathematics. These are the invisible neighbors of any number. I want you to do something. Click the subscribe button so that whenever we bring any other tips on, you'll be able to get it. Then if you have any comment, leave a comment at the comment box. You want us to solve any problem, you have any topic you want us to make simple. Maybe a topic looks too difficult for you and you want it to be simplified for the best of your understanding. Leave it in the comment. We'll answer that, we'll attend to you. I want you to know something before you go, that you don't cram in mathematics. This is just coding. Don't cram. You don't need to cram all this. If you cram, you have problems. Just note them or code them. In the next lesson, I'll be teaching you how to code some things that will have given you problems. But because you have a code, you don't need to cram. Everything will be perfected. Thank you for watching.